Assalamu alaikum class 3. Welcome to the English lecture video. Hope you all are fine, doing well. Today we are going to continue our unit number 5, the test series, from page number 29. So open your book, page number 29 first. Here we have a text today, a passage today to read and then answer the question. It's just like a comprehension passage, so we have to read it and answer the following question which are at the end. So read this passage with me. I am going to help you in reading and in understanding the passage and explaining the passage, and you are going to answer the questions by yourself. Okay. Juddy's accident. It's story about Juddy. Juddy is a boy and about his accident. So I spent yesterday alone on the street house because the family went out for the day. Okay, he spent the whole day alone. Okay, on house because the family went out. At midday, I cooked some lunch for myself. It was a hot day, so I opened the window. As at that moment a cat jumped in, I was so surprised that I dropped my plate of food on the floor. When the cat jumped in, okay, from the window, so he was so surprised that his food plate dropped on the floor, okay, by accident. I also knocked the table. A large green jug with flowers in it that was on the table fell onto the floor and broke. Okay, the jug of green jug which is filled of the flowers, when he knocked the table, fell on the floor and broke. I quickly cleaned up the broken pieces, put them in a bin and washed the floor. Okay, he cleaned the floor and he put the broken pieces of the bottle on the jug on the bin. There was no lunch for me that day, and just he lost his lunch because his plate of lunch fell on the floor. So now he has no lunch today. I walked to the bus stop and took a bus into town. Okay, I went to many shops because I was looking for the same green jug, and he was looking for the same green jug now. In the last shop I found one. Okay, when he found the one in the last shop, it looked exactly the same as the one at the street's house. It was quite expensive. Okay, it looked same, but now it was expensive. But I bought it and he bought it. Then I went back on the bus. I was hungry because I hadn't had any lunch. Okay, this morning I was with Mrs. Street in the kitchen. Okay, but I didn't say anything about the new jug. Okay, he didn't say anything about the new jug. Then the same thing happened. The cat jumped through the open window. Okay, now the same thing happened. The cat jumped through the open window. Next morning, Mrs. Street knocked the table and the jug fell onto the floor and broke. Oh no, I said. I'm sorry, your nice green jug is broken. So Mrs. said, don't worry, it was a present from my aunt. I didn't like it at all. And he said, don't worry, it's just a present from my aunt and I don't like it at all. Oh, so this is the whole story, that Mrs. Street went off one day and Jerry is at home and he is making lunch for himself. It was a hot midday and he make lunch for himself, but as the cat jumped into the window, he was surprised and he knocked the table. The green jug fell on the floor which is full of flowers, and he cleaned the floor. He put the bins of the jug, he put the pieces of the jugs in the bin, and then he went out in search of the same jug. He bought one from the last shop which was very expensive, but he bought it because he has to answer Mrs. Street about the jug. So he bought a new one and place it over the same place on the table with the flowers. Next morning when Mrs. Street come to the house and they are making their breakfast, the same thing happened. The same cat jumped into the kitchen, okay, from the same window, and the same thing happened with Mrs. Street. She knocked the table and the jug fell into the floor, onto the floor. Okay, but at last what did she say? She said that I didn't like it and it was a present from my aunt, so it's okay. So this is the whole story. Now we have to answer these questions. Why did Judy cook lunch for herself? Judy cooked lunch for herself because the family went out. Okay, why did Judy open the kitchen window? Because it was a hot day. Why did Judy drop her food and break the jug? Because he was surprised as the cat jumped in from the window. Okay, why did Judy buy the new jug that she found in the shop? Because he was to place new jug on the table. Why did Judy? Okay, was Mrs. Street sad about the broken jug? No, he was. She was not sad because he didn't. She didn't like it. Okay, she didn't like it. Sorry. So this is the whole story and the passage. To read the text carefully by your own, read the difficult word with spellings, okay, and also search the meaning for the words which you found difficult in your dictionary and read it completely and carefully. After understanding the text, okay, you have to answer your question, write down your question, copy them on your notebook and write the answers of these 5 questions. Do your task carefully. Take care, stay blessed, and Allah Hafiz.